To make rose milk, you need rose water, but this is also good enough. I want to add a little more because I'm getting a lot of boils or something in my face. So it is summer drink of the yeast, they say, concentrated. So I added the sabja seed water in it, and yeah, this is the one I soaked and kept it. It is ready. So it is already swollen. You have to soak it at least more than 10 minutes and add this concentrators roux of I don't know, summer drink of the yeast concentrated. Since I have sugar, I don't have sugar, pre-diabetes. So they say, the doctors are telling me take treatment for that, but I don't want to. I want to control with my diet. I'm exercising. I'm doing Tai Chi exercise. Look how it is light, and I'm gonna add little rose water. It smells so good because it cools down your body, and it is really good for summer. And we have to buy more rose milk syrup. I just want to finish it. I'm making the drink also. Otherwise, it won't be that sweet. That's perfect. I shouldn't be eating too much sweet. Anyway, once in a while we eat donut. We buy the big boxes, but yesterday my son bought this one. Donut holes. The donut will look like that. It reminds me like a ragi balls we make with the sugar, with and this is another dessert Oreo donuts, double stuff, the cream. It's also delicious. We use some delicious dessert once in a while. What is your favorite dessert? Do you eat this kind of donuts? It's good, guys. Pop them, they say. Pop them. So it's funny. Press to release flap. Yeah. So if you buy in a box, it will be fresh at least for 2 to 3 days. And if you keep it open, it will dry out. I'm using whole milk for my rose milk. Whole milk, vitamin D. See? We used to buy big can, but what happens, because of summer, everything goes bad. So my husband and myself, we also used to buy fat-free milk. Again, as you get old, you need vitamin D for your bones. See, so we are buying the small can, half can. These are chocolate drink. Cashew syrup, chocolate syrup, honey, and crunchy butter, peanut butter, everything for my grandkids and my son. Midnight moon. We have lot of chocolate syrup. Midnight moon, cashew syrup. So please try to watch my videos and put your comment how do you like my video or not. Okay, stay tuned. Please like it, share it, and subscribe. I haven't done any video for a while, so I thought of making something. So thank you guys. Thanks for watching. What is your preferred dessert? Please let me know your preferred or what you prefer after lunch. Not all the time I eat anyway.